This video is about the no onion, no garlic veg curry. A Jain delight. Are you craving something delicious yet simple? Let's dive into a Jain version of a classic veggie curry. This recipe is perfect for anyone observing a Sattvic diet. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need assorted vegetables, spices, and oil. Choose veggies like carrots, peas, potatoes, and beans. Now, let's get cooking. Start by heating oil in a pan. Use medium heat for the best results. Add cumin seeds to the hot oil. Let them sizzle for a few seconds. This enhances the flavor and aroma. Next, toss in chopped ginger and green chilies. Stir them for a minute to release their fragrance. Now, add your chopped vegetables. Mix them well in the pan. Cook for about 5 minutes. Sprinkle salt and turmeric powder on the veggies. These spices bring color and taste. Add water to the pan, then cover it. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. This softens the vegetables. Once they're cooked, add garam masala. This adds a delightful blend of flavors. Stir everything together, and your curry is ready. For a burst of freshness, garnish with chopped coriander leaves. This elevates the dish beautifully. Serve this aromatic curry with rice or chapati. Imagine enjoying this comforting dish after a long day. It's nutritious and satisfying. Remember, this Jain curry is free from onion and garlic. It focuses on pure, wholesome ingredients. In summary, this no onion, no garlic veg curry is easy to make. You only need simple ingredients and steps. It's a quick and flavorful meal option for everyone. Try making this dish today and enjoy a burst of flavors. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes like this.